Hi, so this week's mini mail Monday is going to be a envelope flipbook, so I thought I would do this video demonstration. I'm going to use A6 envelopes, and I'm doing this because I want to keep it flat. This is a purpose of mini mail Mondays, is that we're sending flat happy mail. So I'm using these because they will fit into UK small mail letters, which are 16 centimetres by 24 centimetres and only a depth of half a centimetre. So this will fit in perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to be using a 6x6 paper pad. I'm using paper pads because obviously it's a lot thinner than cardstock. And I'm also going to be using this, which you can't see because it's completely off screen. There we go. It's a die cut paper pad thing that I bought from the Wigs quite a while back. But the die cuts and stickers and stuff, they're on thin paper. So again, makes this flip book really, really light and thin. I'm also going to use some washi tape as well. Okay, so what I did was I left a little gap between the hinge of the envelope just so that it will fold up nicely, and now I'm just going to start decorating. So my film stopped working, but doesn't matter, it was only me decorating this, and here is the finished thing. So just kept it simple, kept it flat, no dimensions to it really, and I did use a Velcro to seal it. And this is it. So we have, it just flips open, and I have them 3 pockets there. And then in the first pocket I've included some stamped images. This is my new stamp, my sloth stamp, and I think he is so cute. And then in the second one is just where I'm going to put my letter to my swap partner. And then in the last one is I'm just including some blank ATCs. Done 6 of them on these really beautiful paper. And that is the mini mail Monday swap. So I hope you can all join in, and it'll be nice to get to know each other through this mail. Bye.